Good morning.
It took a little looking. I went to several different spots and there were people parked there, but finally found one no one's at, so we're going to go back here and hopefully we're going to find a couple of squirrels this morning and take them with the 22.
Didn't take long. Maybe walked 25 yards from the gate. I think I have one in this tree right here. Obviously, it's going to be a lot trickier today. Pressured land being public. We'll see if we can ease up on a couple and get a couple shots off. That'd be great. Right here, I can hear acorns falling out of this tree. We'll see if I can get set up. Maybe along this oak. And wait for him to poke his head out. See that limb shaking? I just need him to come out over on this side and I can get a shot on him. That one should have gotten him. I got squirrels around me. It's just trying to get to an area with a shot. I like this if I can get low enough. If he'll just get a little bit more open, I think I could get this one right here. There we go. I saw him fall. I know for a fact I saw him fall. You can definitely tell squirrels have been around here. Lots of half-eaten acorns laying on the ground, such as that one right there. All through here. But not saying so much, so I'm just going to keep pushing over in this direction and hopefully come across a couple more. That first hour, there were squirrels everywhere, but now the sun's out a little bit. You cannot find them for whatever reason. It's currently 9 o'clock right now. I want to give this till at least 10 and hopefully come across at least a couple more. The last hour, 15 minutes, not a single squirrel. The bag. Awesome. Finally got my first one. There's a second one that ran, so I thought it was this squirrel. It's like, there's no way I got a good shot on that one. Fortunately, I did. So, gonna keep walking through here. Hopefully get a couple more. Pretty tough to see, but there's one up in this tree right here. We'll see if I can get him. He's barely visible. Oh, I hit him. He's falling down. Ran through there. Man. I want to give him a second to see if he'll expire. And also if he'll crawl back one of these trees, I might get another shot on him. Trying to miss the worst of this mud where these pigs are coming in. That squirrel should be swimming right along that tree right there. Nice and steep. You need something with good traction. Let's see if we can find this guy. Definitely hit him. Oop. Got him. I'm shocked that squirrel took as long as he did to expire. You see that first shot? A little further back, but still, that should be vitals. And that second one was in the neck. Anywho, that's number 2. I'd love to get one more if I can. I might stick around this trail where these large oaks are, because everything else is pretty short. The further back you go, and they seem to be one of the taller trees. So the way I carry my gear in the woods is I have 2 very cheap Amazon packs. This one I've had for years. That one I've had that's a little bit newer. But fanny pack, I keep all my camera gear in. It's great for around the belt, quick access to everything. If you don't like fanny packs though, then these single over shoulder bags are fantastic for hiking. Great for squirrel hunts where you're just going out and you're doing a lot of walking, don't want your back sweating. Real cheap, but I'm going to go ahead and link a fanny pack in one of these up here in the corner as well as in the description below so you can check them out for your next hunt. Well, didn't get everything I wanted, but I got 2 squirrels at least. Go ahead and let this truck back down. Unload everything. Yeah, rifle did not do bad, honestly. Just my shot placement was a little off, and I probably should use a little bit better ammunition than what I am. I'm using some bulk ammo, so maybe moving up to at least CCIs would help. But yeah, did a good job. That's nice and safe. Set that down, and 2 squirrels in the bag. Here are those 2 squirrels real quick. Didn't get quite the 3 I was hoping for, but still not the end of the world. I'm going to go ahead and zip all this back up, get everything loaded in the truck. I stayed out till roughly 10:30 or so and unfortunately didn't come across any more squirrels. But I got 2 and I will definitely take that. But soaking them in some cold water helps keep the fur off the meat a little bit more. Got them skinned back when I got to the house. But the little Savage FVSR once again did a absolutely fantastic job in the woods. Now I want to get these guys quartered. I usually don't keep the backs, just not enough meat and so many bones, so quartering them up is the way I like to do it. But guys, I do hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please make sure to share, like, subscribe for more, and as always, thanks for watching.